So in this video, what we want to look at is we want to find out what is the longest or the highest number of weeks somebody who's been waiting for somebody who's in the age bracket, let's say 0 to 4. So I'll go up here to formulas, more functions, statistical, scroll down until I get my max ifs. There it is. Now just to say to you, this is available to you in Office 365 or in Excel 2016 or later. It's not available, let's say for example, Excel 2010 or Excel 2013. So you need to be aware of that. So click here on the max range, waiting list, highlight my weeks waiting, and I just lock that with F4. And then my criteria range is going to be, I'm using the age now, waiting list, highlight the age, criteria, and what I want to say is that I want to, let's say greater than, so open quotation marks, ampersand, sorry, greater than or equal to, close quotation marks, and then up here 0. I just press F4 on that until it locks it to the row. I then go down to the same thing again, my waiting list again, and just copy and paste it, Control C, Control V, and this time what I want to say is open quotation marks, less than or equal to, and this one, and 5, sorry, less than 5. Okay, so I want to say less than 5, F4, and again just lock it to that, and then I click OK. Now it's telling me that that's 495 weeks. Okay, so let me just check my waiting list here. Go over here to weeks waiting, narrow down the age, number filters between 0 and is less than 5. Okay, so let's narrow that down. And then I click up here and data, up here, oldest, largest, smallest, see there, 495, which is what I have here, 495.4. I'll just round that up a little bit. There we go. Right. Now I then just repeat the same thing for this one. Okay, now let's look at actually copying those across. So I click down here, and if you just notice here, I've locked down, for example, the G formula. Let me just double click on this. Lock down G, lock down F, which is the around the ages, and so on. So click here and then copy it across. Right. Now what I want to do is just check that that is, so remember I'm looking for what is the highest number of weeks somebody's been waiting who is, let's say, between 5, greater than or equal to 5, and less than 18. Okay, so just go to waiting list, and I'm going to clear my here first of all. So I'm just going to go to my age, number filters between greater than or equal to 5 and is less than 18. Click OK. Right. Now when I click that, see there I have 503. Go back to my metrics calculation. Yes, 503. Now I'm just going to check the same one as well, which is 18 to 64. Okay, so just go back up here then to my age, clear my filter. And what I want to say then is basically if it's greater than or equal to is that if it's look for the age here first of all, number filters, look for greater than or equal to 18 and less than 65. Click OK. All right, so just again it's sorted, so I have 503 again, so that was just a calculation. Okay. Now the last one that I want to do here is, and basically just in this case, if anything it's a bit smaller, I'm just looking for people who are greater than 65. So I could copy the formula across, I'll go to formulas, more functions, statistical, scroll down to my max ifs. Okay. And my max range again is just to my waiting list and my weeks waiting. And then the criteria range is going to be my age again. So highlight my age here, and basically it's going to be greater than or equal to 65. So open quotation marks, greater than or equal to, close quotation marks, ampersand, 65, and then F4. Okay. I've ended up with 503 again, so let me just check that. Come back here, clear my filter. Okay, and I'm looking for greater than number filters. This is what happens when you kind of get dummy data. greater than or equal to 65. And make sure to go Z to A, and that's 503 as well. So it's just worked out that all of them are 503. All right. So I hope you find this useful, and as always, any feedback, just drop it back to me. Mind yourself, take care, bye.